Hello guys! How are you all? Today we are going to draw a square puppet. Yes! Try to draw with me. Draw a very big square. I love drawing and painting so much. Wow! Now draw straight lines in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a big circle. One more. And one more. Now draw another side also. 1, 2, 3 big circles. Let's draw small circles. Yes. Big circles outside, small circles inside. Sketchy, sketchy. Oh wow! Our puppet is going to look very good. So beautiful. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Red color. Now orange color in the middle line. Yellow color. Let's paint red color. Wow! Our puppet is going to look so beautiful.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
So bright. Orange color. First do the outline. Fill the colors very carefully. Yellow color. Wow, such a shiny color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Oh wow, our puppet looks amazing. Let's do finishing. So beautiful. Let's let's play with Popit. Yay! See you in the next video. Bye-bye.